Ready for a change? These 20 shortcuts will instantly make you look years younger. Textured Pixie Cut. Perfect for women with fine hair who want to add instant volume and a youthful, energetic bounce to their daily look. Classic Layered Bob. An elegant choice for women seeking a timeless, sophisticated look that beautifully frames the face and requires minimal styling effort. Inverted Bob. Best suited for thick-haired individuals looking to reduce weight at the back while maintaining a sharp, modern silhouette around the jawline. Shaggy Crop. An excellent choice for women wanting an edgy, youthful appearance with plenty of movement and natural texture that hides thinning areas. Sleek Blunt Bob. Perfectly tailored for women with straight hair who want a powerful, sharp, and highly professional image that commands attention. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Asymmetrical Pixie. Highly recommended for artistic personalities who want to break traditional rules and beautifully elongate a round face shape. Curly Pixie-Bob. The ultimate solution for embracing natural curls, adding structural bounce while keeping daily frizz completely under control. Sideswept Crop. An excellent choice for softening sharp features and concealing forehead wrinkles with an elegant, asymmetrical drape effect. Tapered Boy Cut. Designed for the busy modern woman who prioritizes ultimate styling simplicity without sacrificing a clean, confident, and chic outline. Wispy Pixie with Bangs. A charming, playful look that emphasizes the eyes while creating a soft, delicate volume around the crown area. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Choppy Layered Crop. An amazing texturizing solution that adds fullness to flat hair, making it look modern, effortless, and full of life. Pompadour Pixie. Highly recommended for confident individuals who want extra vertical height to visually slim and balance out a round facial shape. Rounded Layered Bob. An ideal match for heart-shaped and angular faces, providing soft, sweeping curves that neutralize a sharp chin line beautifully. Undercut Pixie. Perfect for thick hair textures, as it reduces bulk underneath while allowing the top layers to remain full, bold, and expressive. Feathered Shortcut. A wonderfully soft, retro-inspired look that creates light, wing-like layers, perfect for thinning hair needing a gentle volume lift. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Align Bob. An excellent choice for framing a square jawline, drawing focus down and forward to create a beautifully slim and balanced facial symmetry. Spiky Pixie. Perfect for fun, adventurous spirits who love low-effort styling with a texturizing paste that brings an instant youthful lift. Soft Layered Crop with Wispy Fringe. A wonderfully gentle, feminine cut that beautifully flatters oval face shapes, while creating light movement around the forehead. Geometric Short Bob. The perfect framing option for sharp bone structures, accentuating the cheekbones and jawline with artistic, bold precision. Volumizing Shag. Highly recommended for wavy textures, providing an immediate crown lift and a fun, modern vibe that requires zero flat ironing. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.